Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change or adjust the page duration for your presentations on Canva in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so log into your Canva account and navigate to presentation. Let me go with this travel presentation here for the sake of this tutorial. So guys, what you want to do is select the given presentation. For example, I will go with this one from the template library here, apply all 11 pages, and you will see all of these pages here in that overview. So what you want to do, guys, is go for these pages or slides one by one. So what you want to do is left click into it, for example, page 1. And then there are two ways how you can do this. You can apply this for each page separately or apply it to the entire presentation. What you want to do is click into edit timing at the top and enter the value here. For example, on default it will be set to 5 seconds, but if you'd like to stay longer on the given slide for your presentation later here, you can start the presentation by clicking into present full screen in the top right. For example, you would like to explain something to your audience, you can change it, I don't know, to 30 seconds, for example. Or you can go with that slider here and adjust the length from 1 second to 30. Let us find out if we can make it longer than 30 seconds. So let me enter, for example, 45 seconds. And as you can see, it does work. Now the second option would be to apply the given slide or page duration to all pages for entire presentation. To do that, enable this button here, and that is going to apply the same slide duration to all, because if I disable this and navigate to the second slide, the slide will be actually the same. So I don't understand this, to be honest, but that's how it works, guys. So as you can see, that's the slide duration or page duration you can edit in Canva in 2026. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.